In this ADA Leads 2.0 review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to help you find targeted leads, create website audits, and actually help protect people from getting sued in one cloud-based software. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ADA Leads 2.0, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says ADA website lawsuits have increased by 64% in 2021. Web accessibility now applies to all websites worldwide. Do not get sued. Protect your clients and yourself from being sued by greedy lawyers. Create massive agency profit, solving an urgent problem, and start your very own ADA agency today. So essentially, what websites need to have these days is the ability to make sure that people that have learning disabilities or that have like visual disabilities or anything are able to actually access your website. So if someone comes to your website and they have a hearing disability, they need to have like subtitles. If someone comes in, they can't like see small letters, they need a way of enhancing that. And the thing is with this, and you'll see this on the sales page, is that websites are actually getting sued for this. Now, in general, of course, it's been bigger websites, but there have been smaller websites sued for this as well. And this is something that everyone needs to protect themselves from in the future here ongoing. With this software, what you can do is you can actually use it in order to actually help these websites get ADA compliant. You can find websites that are not ADA compliant and actually help them with this service and charge them to do it for them. So not only are you helping them with their business, you can also go ahead and you can get paid for it. So it's a win-win situation. So step 1, find hot leads. Step 2, run a full ADA website audit. Step 3, create a powerful ADA widget in seconds that you can add onto their website. And then step 4 says get paid top dollar for this here. So you can see this is a product. I actually reviewed the first version of this last year. I think this is a really good opportunity, as I said then, and I still endorse this product here today, as I think it's a highly effective product, especially it's something that people actually need nowadays here. So there's stuff here on the sales page. You can go down through this and see kind of how this works. I'm going to play you a demo in a second here. But if we go down here, if you decide to purchase, you're going to have access to the entire software. You can actually compare this to other ways of doing this as well on the sales page here, but you'll get access to the entire software at a discounted price. Now, if you stay tuned, I'm also going to show you a bundle discount as well that you can get the entire sales funnel. Before I do that, let me show you a quick video, then I'll be back to show you all that.
Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I'm going to give you a full demo of our brand new ADA Leads 2.0 software solution, which is the newest and most up-to-date ADA software in the marketplace. Okay, now here's a quick article before I show you the software. This is the software right here. I'm going to walk you through everything here step by step in just a second, but I'm just want to show you this article in the Wall Street Journal, which came out recently, and it says that lawsuits over digital accessibility, so about websites for people with disabilities, are rising, right? And then specifically here it says that the number of US lawsuits alleging that websites, apps, and digital videos were not accessible for people with disabilities rose 64% in 2021, right? A 64% increase, and it's just gonna get more and more in 2022. There's attorneys and law firms out there, and all they do is they check websites, and if your website or your client's website is not accessible, they're gonna sue you, usually at the beginning for $50,000, and if you don't act immediately, the follow-up lawsuit is usually $150,000. Okay, so that is a very serious threat. And the web accessibility guidelines, they apply worldwide. Wherever your client is in the world, they apply, and you have to be compliant, right? Now, how do you get more compliant? You make sure that you make your website more accessible. And we do that with our brand new website called ADA Leads 2.0, but it does much more than that. With our website, you can find real-time leads that are highly qualified for your agency. If you're a local marketer, video marketer, and agency, and you want to get more clients on board, you want to find prospects quickly and easily, you can do that with our software in seconds. You can create a beautiful audit and report to give your prospect something tangible, something high value, and then you can actually help them with a tangible solution with our ADA ADA widget. So here on the main dashboard, you can see step 1, lead generation, step 2, audits and reports, step 3, ADA widget. I'm going to show you all of them in action. So let's start with the lead generation part first. I can click here on prospects and let's say find prospect. Let's do a new search. I can enter here. Let's keep it simple and go with plumber. And then I can click here on location. Let's go with San Diego. As you can see, the search mechanism is powered by Google. So you're going to get the best real-time results. I'm going to click here on San Diego. And then in a second, I'm going to click here on search. And then we're going to look at the results, right? So let's click here on search. All right, cool. Now we have different websites right here, right? In San Diego. And if you want to check out one more in detail, I can go here to this website, for example, click here on this icon. And then you can see here, I have a nice format of the phone number, the address, the rating, the location, and also the email address, right? And then I can email them immediately if I want to, right? And send them the report, for example. And as you can see, a lot of websites here come with the actual email address. And we also have the website, of course, here we have the name, right? Now, if you like any of these, you can add them to your actual dashboard to create an audit. I can click here on the plus sign. I can add a category. In this case, I'm going to save it without a category. And here on the right-hand side, on the lower right, you can see it says prospect added, right? Now you have these prospects available. And if you scroll down here to the bottom, I can load more and I can create hundreds and hundreds of qualified leads in any location worldwide and then reach out to them quickly and easily, right? This is how easy and instantly you can find the actual leads, right? If I go here back to ADA Leads to the main dashboard, you can see here also the menu bar. I'm going to show you a little bit more about that in seconds. And if I go back here to prospects, I have them all listed here. And now I can create reports for them, right? And these reports are customized. You can customize them, you can change them. Now let me show you how fast and easy it is, right? So let's go with this one here, pickplumbing.com. I'm going to click here on create the report. And I can enter the website or I can just go from our dashboard right here. I'm going to go with the ADA accessibility report. I can also do a performance audit, an SEO audit, or a best practices audit. I'm going to stick with the ADA accessibility right here. And then I'm going to click here on generate, right? And now it's going to generate that. You can see here audit requested and literally within seconds. And now what I can do is I can head over to this page right here where it says audits, click on this. And then you can see here, I have it right here, pickplumbing.com. And now I can check out the report that I just created. So I just click here on the view report button. And now in just seconds, it's going to bring it up. And just like this, we have a beautiful and stunning report and audit, right? Now you can see here, this is for the domain pickplumbing.com. We have the date right here. We have even my agency information, which you can customize, right? You can customize here the URL. You can insert your information right here, your phone number. This is a logo that I just added. And then here, more importantly, we have a beautiful outline of the report. We explain to them what ADA is and why it's important. We have visuals right here, images, we have reports in here. We even link to the latest news reports so that they can see, you know, in NBC News, Fox News, CNN News, how this is a huge issue for businesses right now and that they need to protect themselves, right? So we educate them and on why they need ADA and how their website is in danger. And then after that, we actually go into showing them what their website is lacking, right? So here we switch over into actually showing them everything that is wrong with their website. So you can see here everything listed. I'm just going to scroll through this quickly. Everything listed that is wrong with their website in terms of accessibility, right? And there's one point after the next. And all this needs fixing, right? And then if I scroll further down, you can then go to the call to action. So this is all still material that is not accessible on their website that they need to fix. And then here at the bottom, let me just go here real quick. You can see here that says, now that you have the report, you might decide that you want to have help and we can help you with that, right? So there's a logo again. I added a logo right here. The phone number, this is going to be customized to yours, your email address and your website URL, and you're going to be good to go here. And, you know, they can reach out to you. You know, you can send them this report for free if you just want to add value, or you could charge for this audit. That is absolutely up to you. But it's kind of cool that you can offer them something tangible right from the first start, right? So we looked for the leads real time. We created a beautiful report that we can send to them directly from inside the software. And then the next thing that you want to do is you want to create the widget for them, right? So if I click here on widgets, you can see different websites that we already created the widget for. And the cool thing is with the widget, let me show in action how the widget looks like. If I go here to this website right here, you can see here on the lower left, we have a widget. So anyone with disabilities, they can click here on this widget and now they can immediately customize the website experience for them, right? So depending if they have a hearing issue, if they have issues, with their visual, with their view, depending on what disability they have, they can use different options right here. So we can have something that makes it immediately the website ADHD friendly. We have a vision impaired mode they can click on. We can align left, right the text. We can highlight the links. We can customize the font. We can highlight the title. We can change the font size immediately right here on the spot, make it bigger or smaller. You can click on any of these, right? We have visual experiences, dark contrast right here. We can do the light contrast, high contrast. It's totally up to you. The person can choose that, and this makes your website right away more accessible for people with disabilities. They can change the color right here, whichever one is more suitable to them. We can play sound. We can have the text read to them. Okay, and all kinds of options right here that you can customize with this beautiful, nice, stunning widget that pops up after you click here on the link, right? And if you want to customize this widget with our software, all you have to do is just click here on settings, and then here you can actually customize the logo, how the widget looks like, and the icon of the actual widget. You can also here change, you can pick what options you want to make available for your website visitor, right? Button size, small, medium, large. You can check them, you can uncheck them. The readable experience you can customize right here. So readable font, dyslexia friendly, highlight title, highlight links, font sizing, you can check them on or off, and then they're gonna either show up in the widget or show not up in the widget. You can customize the visual experience right here, and so forth and so forth. Just one click with one little button right here, you can customize this experience, okay? And then if you wanna embed it, really simple, you just need this little piece of code, you put it into WordPress or Lead Pages or ClickFunnels, whichever one you use, and then the widget is going to show up just right here, and your website is going to be more accessible just like that, right? So with our all-in-one software, again, just to repeat, step one, it shows you real-time leads powered by Google, right? You get the email address, the website, and you get also the ability to manage your clients. You can then create audits and reports, and you can, of course, create the ADA widget. And if I click here on settings, you can customize everything to represent your business in the reports as well, right? So here you can customize the agency name, you can customize first name, last name, the website URL, you can add your own logo, you can actually even customize the audit footer, you can have your own API settings right here, your own email settings, your own SMTP settings, so you can send emails directly from our software. For example, we have a reseller option, you can manage clients without one of our upgrades. We have a white label option, right, where you can even resell our software under your name and brand. It is one of the upgrades as well. We have a team feature where you can manage team members, you can manage your clients. I mean, this is a full-blown ADA focused agency business basically, right? Where you can just jump in and you can start creating leads, you can create audits, and you can actually sell services for a real problem that needs a solution right here, right? And as you can see, I'm really fired up about that. Please feel free to check out the rest of our website as well. We have examples there, we have testimonials there, we have more, news reports there that you can see how this is a huge issue right now for businesses. And for you as an agency, you can offer something unique right now. Most people, they offer SEO, social media management, reputation management, but this is a real issue, ADA lawsuits, and you can help businesses with this right now, right? With our widget, with our audits and reports, and with the lead generation. Now, our widget does not magically make every website 1000% compliant, but it's a great first step to make any website more compliant than it is in that moment, right? So that pretty much summarizes our demo right here. Feel free to check out the rest of the website. Feel free to check out the testimonials. We're super proud of this. This is the newest, most up-to-date ADA solution right now in the marketplace. And if you take action right now, you're going to get it at the best price possible. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see you inside the members area. Talk soon.
So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. You have everything all in here depending upon the level that you purchase of the software. There are different OTOs here. So the first one here says remove their branding from all reports and customize to your liking. So if you don't get this upgrade, it's going to have their branding on it. You also can get unlimited searches, unlimited clients, and unlimited websites for this one, and remove all this branding, have your own call to action on the reports. It's a pretty powerful upgrade here. Let me see if I can scroll down here. This is a one-time of $67 for this one. Next one here is you can unlock and sell SEO audits, website performance audits, best practice audits, and activate the reseller panel right inside with this one. And this one is a one-time, I believe, if I can find the price, of $67, okay, for this one. Next one here is you can get full white label rights. So you can sell this under your own brand, your own logo, your own custom domain. And this one is $247. And then the last one here, you can sign up clients here and add in an extra package with this one. Okay, so the last thing is a bundle discount that you can get here. You can get a $50 off discount as well on this if you use the coupon bundle. With this one here, you get access to everything. So you get the upgrade 1, upgrade 2, upgrade 3, upgrade 4 for a one-time price. You can get it here for $297 and you get the $50 off, or you can do a 2-payment plan of $147 for this. All the different OTOs are completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ADA Leads 2.0 and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, when you approach these people to try to provide this service to them, not everyone's going to be like, oh yes, I really want this. So just know that you are going to have to take some rejection with this. It's just part of doing business. What do I like about this? I think this is a really good idea. I think this is definitely something that everyone can be doing. It's a business that people actually need. You get paid, you help them. It's a win-win situation. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ADA Leads 2.0, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.